can't see because I'm in a low-slung sports car. Problems with owning a sports car. Looking over hills. And many others. Let's discuss it. So at the moment I'm following a cyclist and I can't overtake because I'm in a low-slung sports car and there's a hill. You've got lots of other problems. They're a bit of a pain to get in and out of. They're also not really noticed on the road. Like, if you're driving a normal sized car, people don't pull out in front of you so much. Whereas if you're in a sports car, especially my MG, but you also get it in this, people are just like, tiny car, ain't gonna affect me. Pull out right in front of you. Genuinely, it happens a lot, and you're like, there's nothing you can do. You're about as intimidating as what's not intimidating? A singular grape that has an ambition to become a ballerina. But the father grape works down a mine and thinks that he should work down a mine, and it leads to a very moving tale that leaves you in great joy, even though it has many a saddening moment. What was I talking about? Yeah. Generally, sports cars aren't as popular as other cars. So if you buy something like a Ford Fiesta, you can pretty much guarantee every garage you go to is going to have parts for a Ford Fiesta. And probably every place that you go to buy your tyres is going to have tyres for a Ford Fiesta. You own a sports car, unless it's something like an MX-5, maybe even an MGB. Midgets, they're a bit old now, so most garages probably don't stock parts. But MX-5 is probably... But any other sports car, trying to get tyres for it is a pain. Nah, there's parts, tyres and things like that. Trying to get them for a sports car, difficult. And expensive. And mechanics aren't used to working on them, so you're probably there spend more time doing something, you're going to pay for more labour. And because they're designed for performance in mind, often the parts themselves are more high-tech and therefore more expensive. So, you know, maintenance is a big problem with owning sports cars. Leaks. Alright, this mainly refers to only sports cars that are convertible, but, you know, sports cars should be convertible. Yeah, even the best designs aren't waterproof. They're just very good at being water resistant. Take my dad's car, it's 2005 Porsche. Still gets a little damp inside. This car, I mean, you know, designed by Mercedes. They know what they're doing. Pretty much every one of them. The seals get a little bit moved, get a little bit dirty, and they start leaking over the door mirror stalk and over the speaker cover. If you're looking at classic sports cars, are you familiar with the concept of a colander? Yeah. I think I needn't say any more. So sports cars have their problems. Does it matter? No. Nah. They're not practical. They're not sensible. They got problems. you learn how to drive them, you have fun, and when your third friend goes, oh, can I join you in your journey? You go, nope. And then you have all of the fun in the universe.
Thank you for watching that video. If you liked it, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you know when new videos are coming up. If you want to continue watching, there's 2 videos here, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!